Hi guys, it's me again. Today we are going to be making grilled zucchini hummus wraps. I made this the other day and it worked out really well, so we're gonna try it again. Let's just get into it. What you're going to need is a zucchini. A bigger one would be better, but this is one of the ones I ended up with. Grape tomatoes, or these ones are snacking tomatoes. Some small tomato that you like. Red onion, I only use half of it, and I do have some left over, so like a small red onion would do. Olive oil, and salt, and a little pepper. And of course, hummus and tortillas. And I will show you how these all come together, but first we gotta chop some vegetables. We are going to heat up a skillet or grill. I only have a skillet to a medium high. Take your zucchini while your pan is preheating and spread it out in this pan. Then we're going to take our olive oil. The spinach. embarrass myself. Just like a burrito. Alright guys, so that is my zucchini wrap with hummus. They are delicious, and I've made them a couple of times now, and I'm pretty confident in the recipe. Sorry I forgot about the spinach there at the end. But if you like this video, and you would like to see more cooking videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!